Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga dakilang ama sa buong Kapuluan. Marami sila rito celebrating Father's Day here inside a jam-packed Araneta Coliseum for our sold-out Sunday.
Mukhang lampas kalahati ng ating venue mga ama. Kaya Happy Father's Day muli sa inyong lahat.
Roger Yap now inserted in the game to restore order here. Not a good start here para sa Pure Foods as they go to James Yap on the move and he is fouled.
Tama-tama mo yung sinabi mo. No? Pinasok nila itong si Roger Yap precisely to bring order to the Giants pagkat halos walang touches na nakuha ang kanilang point guard during the several possessions they had in this quarter. Kaya naman, kontrolado ng mga Barakos itong ating unang yugto ng laban. 8-3, 5-point lead.
Here's Raimundo. Roger Yap. And Ralimi sends it home.
Kailangan gawin ni Reda Ralimi yan. If only to emphasize na they are still in the game. Maaga pa lamang ito. Pero parang gusto niyang gisingin yung kanyang mga kampi rito.
3-point lead para sa Red Bull, 8-5 as we approach the 8-minute mark of the opening quarter. Baguio left all alone. He makes them pay.
And why not? A good pick being given by Adam Parada na ipituloy itong si James Shop. Huli na nung makahabol siya, puslo na itong si Skyrus Baguio.
Meantime, James Shop with a virtuoso move. Here's Ralimi once again.
And that's his position, ano? Gaya ng binabanggit natin, hindi niya kailangan tumanggap ng bola na mas mataas. Pag nadating sa taas, sa baba rather, yun, dun sa mabubuhay na maigi. Same lando as Adam Parada.
Yeah, shot was partially deflected, pero patibay yung pangangatawan itong si Adam Parada. Meantime, here's James Yap. James Yap coming off an uncharacteristic 10-point game, but he gets the steal off Baguio. And Topage Robinson gets the basketball anew for Red Bull. And Robinson is bumped and bludgeoned by James Yap.
Pero ordinaryo lang kay Topage Robinson yan. In fact, yung kanyang agaw ng bola sumingit siya over Reda Ralimi and Ray Evangelista just to get that ball.
Speaking of Ralimi, he made a Yakult slam dunk moments ago. Yakult everyday, okay, sigurado ka siya.
Pinagbayad nila yung double teaming defense itong si Parada, naluwagan si Ralimi.
Blocked by Roger Yap on Parada.
7-footer.
Here's Kirby. And he loses the ball. Patong-patong ng turnovers dito ng Pure Foods. As Baguio zigzags inside. Not quite.
And kailangan talaga mag-settle down itong Pure Foods.
Very persistent play mula kay Kirby Raimundo who now has 5 points.
And that's good defense actually on the part of Mick Pinisi. Ang problema lang yan, nung ma-deflect na niya yung bola, hindi siya handa for the second serving of Kirby Raimundo.
Tatlo ang abante ng Red Bull. As we near the halfway mark of the opening quarter, alley-oop intended for Parada. Not even Parada could get that basketball.
And I think that pass by Mick Pinisi naapektuhan rin ng pagkasundot sa kanya ni Kirby Raimundo kanina nung binabantayan niya si Kirby on the opposite side of the court. Pero kahit 7-footer na, mataas pa Talagang mataas yata yung pasa na yun.
James Yap with a TM3.
And that's a warning already for the defenders of Red Bull. Itong si James Yap, kahit gaya ng binanggit natin, 10 points lang in the last game, pwede pumawi ito in an instant. That 3-pointer can be a spark.
Here's Robinson. Robinson on the move. Kick out. Rich Alvarez for 3. Overshot the mark. We're tied at 12. And Pure Foods can reclaim the lead with a basket here. Here's James Yap. And he gets his fifth straight point.
Yan ang binabanggit natin. After the 3-pointer, all the confidence is now with the King. 5 points. 5 straight points for James Yap. And suddenly he stopped scoring for his team.
His first 13 foul.